Okay guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading. And we will be having another edition of it again tonight. However, before we go fully into it, I would like you guys to know that this video is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you're getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. Like I said earlier on, we will be checking out all these assets together right now in this video, and of course everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I'll be using. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. So let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000, and of course just where we have seen it, it was an uptrend before but got to this region, was unable to break out above it, so it sold for a while and went back there again to see if it will be able to break out above the resistance zone. Still unable to break out from there, so it started a downtrend from here. So you can see gave us the downtrend signal and gave us some sell signal. If you missed out from here, you should have come in around here, and of course if you missed out from there, you can still come in guys, because it just broke out from this particular support zone. Okay, so it just broke out from there. So once it breaks out fully, then it's going to sell for a very long time. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Let's check out boom 500 right now. This is boom 500. Boom 500, after getting to this resistance zone, it started a downtrend from there, and it kept on selling and selling till this particular spot. Okay, this is around a very reasonable support zone. So if it's unable to break out from there, then definitely it will go back into an uptrend, so we should watch out for that. However, we should wait for every necessary signal. Either it breaks out or it changes the direction into an uptrend. Okay, so this is very important. Still selling at the moment, not for a very, might not be for a very long time. Okay, so the next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check that together right now. Okay, so guys, this is crash 1000. It started a downtrend and of course got to this region and played around there for a while, tried to go back on uptrend but was unable to go for too long before crashing down till it got to this particular spot. It broke out below this particular support zone. Okay, and of course it has gotten to a new spot and it has not been able to break out above this. So guys, this is still selling at the moment. This might not also be for a very long time. Okay, because it is at the support zone already and it's trying to force its way back into an uptrend. Okay, however, it is still selling at the moment until it is able to bring out all the necessary stuff for you to know it's going into an uptrend. Okay, so next asset is going to be crash 500. Let's check it out together guys. Okay guys, this is crash 500. This actually went on uptrend, on downtrend, and of course I'll pull back and went back down to that same support zone to form a W, and it went straight into an uptrend, and of course it is still buying at the moment. However, here is the resistance zone. If it breaks out above it, it will keep on buying. So at the moment this is still buying. Okay, now the last asset is going to be volatility 75. Okay, this is volatility 75 guys, and of course guys, this actually went on downtrend and got to this region at the pullback, went back down again to form a W, and definitely this is still buying at the moment. So this is still going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect a trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my trading strategies, and of course practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? Okay, watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.